like diamonds when they caught the light. Oh, but they were dark and deeper than the night. But when she'd smile, out came the sun, and there ain't no more where that came from.
You're crying.
She had a dress that swayed all around her knees, and a voice as soft as a summer breeze. A touch that told me I was the one.
I think we also need to recognize that sometimes not everybody that we want to be here can make it. And up front we have a special seat for Jerry Poole Sr., the grandfather of Courtney. Though he is here in our hearts, he also has a seat. And what a very special moment to recognize a special person in Courtney's life. And she told me that he truly was a very, very big part of her. So who gives Courtney away in marriage to this man?
Me and Courtney's mom.
Very good. Thank you.
Welcome to the family.
7 things. The sheriff's 7 secrets to a successful marriage. The first one, this is a big deal. You don't have to have a dream. I'm not talking, you can have the big dream and you want years and years away, but focus on the small dreams, the little things, the things that you can obtain, sometimes even in a day. Number 2, always work on liking your partner. Now the third one that I've come up with is don't seek happiness. Now I think, oh, Sheriff, you don't know what you're talking about. No, I'm not talking about happiness for yourself. That's easy to do, isn't it? Do you go through life and you're doing what you want to do but you know, in a marriage, that doesn't always work. Instead, seek happiness for both of you. Number 4, respect each other. Number 5, be tough on your opinions. I got opinions. I got lots of opinions. My wife's got opinions. Sometimes that's what starts the fight. But instead, listen to your partner's opinion. Number 6, use the buddy system. You know, life is tough, isn't it? Going alone is harder. Maybe this is one of the reasons why marriage is so important. But make sure that you always rely on each other. Number 7, always find time to be together. Whatever you guys like to do together, make sure you do. Courtney, do you take Connor to be your husband, your best friend, and love for life?
I do.
Connor, now you know the program. Do you take Courtney to be your wife, your best friend, and love for life?
I do.
Connor, today I stand here before you, overwhelmed with gratitude for the love that we share. You have walked into my life and filled it with warmth, laughter, and a sense of belonging that I never knew I was missing. I vow to cherish every moment that we share, both the small, quiet ones and the grand adventures. I will always make time for us to nurture our love and to ensure that it continues to grow. I promise to be your safe haven and to listen to you without judgment. When the world feels heavy, I will hold you tall. When it shines brightly, I will celebrate with you. Your dreams are my dreams, and I will stand by you as you chase them. I promise that when we face hardships, I will remind you of our strength. When doubt creeps in, I will be your anchor and your support. I choose you every day, your passions, your quirks, your dreams, because you are everything I never knew I needed. As we stand here today, I vow to give you my heart, my soul, and my unwavering support. I am yours completely and forever. There's a saying that goes, till death do us part, but even I know that death couldn't keep our souls apart. So whether it's this lifetime or the next, my heart will always find you. As the wise poet Dr. Taylor Allison Swift once said, You are the best thing that's ever been mine, and I love you.
Me too. Today I stand before you filled with love, gratitude. I promise to be your partner, your confidant, and your greatest supporter. I will celebrate your joys and comfort you in times of sorrow. I vow to listen with compassion and understanding, and to cherish our moments together. Through life's challenges and adventures, I will always choose you. I will keep our dreams alive and create a home filled with laughter and kindness. I am yours today and always.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring, I thee wed.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our commitment.
as a symbol of our commitment.
With this ring, I thee wed.
With this ring I thee wed.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our commitment.
as a symbol of our commitment.
I will tell you that Courtney has authorized deadly force. Hearing none by the powers vested in me, the state of Washington, I now pronounce Courtney and Connor as man and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Must have said to myself there might be somebody else out there.
It gives me great pleasure to introduce for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. Connor Everson. Please rise.
Oh, but now I know there was only one.
Courtney, my love of joy, love her dearly. Connor, welcome to the family. Connor and Courtney, you've truly given us a day to remember here. So Connor, here's a little advice. Don't try, tell Courtney do it. I knew when we first met Courtney that he truly found someone very special.
There's nothing I wouldn't do for you guys, and I hope you know that, Connor. I know that you're a fucking pain in the ass. Sorry, my language. But you know what? You're good for Courtney, and Courtney, you're good for Connor, and I hope you guys know that. And I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, me and Justin, wherever he is.
And she asked us when she was probably 8 to have this wedding, and here we are. And congratulations, you guys, for wonderful years to come. So, love you both.
Must have said to myself there might be somebody else out there somewhere. Must have said to myself it's a great big world, girls are everywhere. Oh, but now I know there was only one. There ain't no more where that came from. And it ain't like I ain't been trying to find someone. There just ain't no more where that came from.